Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious garlic pickle using apple cider vinegar. This recipe is straightforward and yields a tangy, flavorful condiment. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, peeled garlic cloves. For the pickling liquid, gather 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can also add spices like black peppercorns for extra flavor. First, ensure your garlic cloves are completely peeled and dry. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. A quick trick for peeling is to shake cloves vigorously in a lidded jar. Next, sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them for 10 minutes or using a dishwasher sanitize cycle. Once clean and dry, carefully pack the peeled garlic cloves into your jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace from the rim. Now, let's prepare the pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to this mixture. You can also include optional spices like a teaspoon of black peppercorns or mustard seeds for added depth. Bring the brine to a gentle boil, stirring until the salt is completely dissolved. This ensures a well-balanced and flavorful pickling liquid. Carefully pour the hot brine over the garlic cloves in your jars, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the jars tightly with their lids. Allow the jars to cool completely to room temperature before moving them. For best flavor development, refrigerate your pickled garlic for at least 3 days or up to 1 week before enjoying. It will keep well for several months in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.